Welcome to the Ultimate Space Challenge. 20 questions, 10 points each. Can you score a perfect 200? Comment your final score below, and the winner will get a shout-out in my next video. Let's blast off. Level Easy. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? The answer is the Milky Way. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? The answer is Mars. What is the name of the star at the center of our solar system? The answer is the Sun. What is the largest planet in our solar system? The answer is Jupiter. Which natural satellite orbits the Earth and is responsible for our tides? The answer is the Moon. Which planet is famous for its prominent and complex ring system made primarily of ice and rock? The answer is Saturn. Let's increase the difficulty. Medium level. What is the name of the massive storm on Jupiter that has been raging for hundreds of years? The answer is the Great Red Spot. Which galaxy is currently on a collision course with our Milky Way? The answer is Andromeda. What is the name of the boundary around a black hole where nothing can escape? The answer is the event horizon. What is the name of the largest volcano in our solar system, located on Mars? The answer is Olympus Mons. What celestial body was downgraded from a planet to a dwarf planet in 2006? The answer is Pluto. Which planet rotates on its side, with its axis of rotation tilted nearly 90 degrees? The answer is Uranus. Which moon of Jupiter is most famous for its subsurface ocean of liquid water, making it a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life? The answer is Europa. What is our sun primarily made of? The answer is hydrogen and helium. No, let's increase the difficulty. Hard level. What is the approximate age of the universe in billions of years? The answer is 13.8 billion years. What phenomenon occurs when a star exhausts its nuclear fuel and collapses, leading to a massive explosion that can briefly outshine an entire galaxy? The answer is supernova. What is the name of the region beyond Neptune that contains many icy bodies and dwarf planets, including Pluto? The answer is the Kuiper Belt. Which of Saturn's moons is the only moon in the solar system known to have a dense atmosphere and stable bodies of surface liquid? The answer is Titan. In stellar evolution, what is the specific name of the hot, dense core that remains after a low to medium mass star sheds its outer layers? The answer is white dwarf. Which famous phenomenon explains why the sky is dark at night, despite the universe containing billions of stars? The answer is Olber's paradox. That is it for today. Hope you like it, and don't forget to comment your score.